In this video, I show you how to get the most out of your sunflower crop and how to harvest sunflower seeds. The most important thing to harvest sunflower seeds is recognizing when the seeds are ready to be harvested. So, how do you know when sunflower seeds are ready to harvest? You will notice that the sunflower stares down and no longer follow the movement of the sun during the day. Then, its appearance begins to change. Even if the sunflower seeds are black, it is not time to harvest the seeds until the sunflower head is completely dry. To harvest the seeds, we need to wait until the sunflower head is completely dry. One way is to protect the seeds from the birds using this homemade tulle fabric cover, a mesh fabric. As you can see here, this allows the sunflower to dry out, allows it to have good aeration, and at the same time, prevents the birds from coming to eat the seeds. The seeds that dry and fall off naturally remain in the bag. As you can imagine, this method of drying sunflowers and preparing them for seed harvesting is only practical if you have only a few sunflowers. This is how we will see the sunflowers at harvest time. You see that the outermost seeds seem to stick out, almost like they are escaping from the plant. I'm going to show you two other ways to dry the sunflower head to harvest the seeds. Another way is to put a paper bag over the entire head of the sunflower and close it. The uncut sunflower is dried and the seeds are protected. But you can also choose to cut off the head of the sunflower, leaving about 5 to 8 inches. Rub the flower gently to remove any dried flower debris. This will help to get the sunflower head to dry faster. Then, place the sunflower head in a paper bag and close it. You should hang the bag in a ventilated place, but protected from rain for about 2 weeks. That is how long it takes for these sunflower heads to dry out. After about 2 weeks, verify that the sunflower heads are perfectly dry. Check that the sunflower seeds are black. When are sunflowers ready to harvest? If the sunflower head is dry and the seeds are black, this indicates that the sunflower seeds are ready to be harvested. It is convenient to prepare a table covered with a newspaper. All the sunflower seeds that we harvest are good for us for eating, but if we want to obtain seeds to sow in the next season, we must reserve large seeds located in the outer ring of the sunflower that is the best. Proceed to remove the remaining flowers, blossoms, and petals from around the sunflower. To harvest the sunflower seeds, simply pinch off the seeds, which will come off easily if the sunflower is dry. Release the seeds by rubbing the flower on a piece of newspaper. Discard seeds in bad condition. Help yourself with a colander or sieve to remove impurities from time to time and set aside the clean seeds. You can remove them with your hands if they are large, blow them gently or use a sieve. Do not save the seeds yet. Leave the harvested seeds on sheets of newspaper and spread them out to dry for a few more days. To keep the seeds properly, we must avoid humidity. After drying the seeds for a few days, we recommend transferring the harvested sunflower seeds to a clean, dry glass jar that we will initially leave uncovered for about 2 days and then place the lid on the jar. Store the sunflower seeds in a cool, dark place. This process can be done to preserve the seeds for eating and planting sunflowers in the next season.